Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, let's talk about something that gets a lot of people curious. How to invest in Bitcoin like a pro. Maybe you've heard the hype, maybe you know someone who's made big gains, or maybe you just want to get in without making expensive mistakes. Either way, I've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide. First things first, what is Bitcoin really? It's digital money. No bank, no government, just a decentralized network running on blockchain technology. Think of it as digital gold. People invest in it to store value or as a hedge against inflation. But how do you actually get started? Step 1. Pick a crypto exchange. If you're in Australia, CoinSpot, Swiftix, or Binance are great. Globally, I like Coinbase and Kraken for beginners because they're secure and easy to use. Step 2. Set up your account and verify your identity. Yeah, you'll need to upload your ID. It's just like opening a bank account. Step 3. Deposit your funds. Bank transfer, credit card, pay ID, whatever works best for you. Credit cards have higher fees, so watch out for that. Now comes the fun part. Search for Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTC, and place your buy order. Good news, you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. Start with $10 if you want. Once you've bought some, it's time to think about storage. You can leave it on the exchange, but that's riskier. Hot wallets like Trust Wallet or MetaMask are fine for smaller amounts. For serious long-term holding, use a cold wallet like Ledger or Trezor. They're offline and super secure. My top tips for beginners: start small. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and don't try to time the market. Dollar cost averaging, buying a little over time, helps smooth out those wild price swings. Keep learning, and don't panic if prices dip. Avoid leverage. It's way riskier than it looks. Remember, Bitcoin is volatile. 10% swings in a day aren't unusual. And if your exchange gets hacked, there's no safety net. So always do your homework. That's your roadmap to investing in Bitcoin like a pro. If this helped, hit that thumbs up and share it with a friend who's curious about crypto. Drop a comment if you want more on Ethereum or building a full crypto portfolio. Thanks for hanging out. And as always, invest smart, not fast.